So we're going to talk about ARV today, after repaired value. After repaired value is what the property will be worth compared to all of these similar properties around it in a full retail ready condition, completely remodeled. That is what after repaired value is going to refer to. So if I've got a neighborhood and all of the really beautiful, pretty houses that are in perfect condition are selling for $200,000, or better yet, let's say $100 per foot, then I can assume that my property will also sell for $100 per foot if it is in the same or similar condition as the other properties that have sold. That will be my after repaired value. Now that's going to differ from your as-is value, or sometimes called fair market value. The as-is price is what do other homes in the same condition as my property is currently in sell for. So let's say I have a property that's, move-in ready, but it's not been updated. It still has older carpet in it. It still might need a little bit of paint, a little bit of updating. What do homes like that sell for in the neighborhood? That is your fair market value or your as-is value. So if you're talking to other investors and you hear ARV, as-is, kind of remember what these terms are. And if you ever have any more questions about this, reference the video below.